Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I'm going to show you how to do the Tibetan Rite number three. All right, so this is the most contested rites of the Tibetan rites, but I'm going to present it as it was written in the Eye of Revelation, and that's why it's contested. Because in the Eye of Revelation, it clearly says to get down to kneeling, put your hands on the thighs, and then to bend forward at the waist and tuck your chin to your chest and bend down as far as you can. And then come back up and then bend all the way back as far as you can, taking your head backwards, and then come back to the middle. And that would be 1 rep. But most places where you see rite number 3, people just start here and they bend backwards. But the book clearly says to bend forward. And the reason I like to bend forward is because it puts a lot of head motion into the movement. And so and the body follows the head, right? So the eyes go into flexion, the head goes into flexion, and the body goes into flexion. And then the eyes and head go back into extension, and the body goes into extension. So it's a great way to stimulate the vestibular system and integrate the movements of the body. So I think it's a brilliant move. So I'm gonna do it the way I do it, the way I understand it, and the way I interpret it from the book, The Eye of Revelation. So you get into tall kneeling or kneeling, and you tuck your chin to chest and fold all the way down as far as you can. And you don't have to touch the floor or anything, but you can just fold where you can. And if you purely want to isolate it at the waist, you can, but it's kind of restrictive, and I like to let the body follow the head. So I go all the way into flexion, and I can rest my head on the floor, and then I come up into extension, and you lean back as far as you can, and that would be 1 rep. So again, it's chin to chest, and then eyes to sky, head back up, and you just fold forward, backwards. And 1 complete repetition would be that would be 1 repetition. Anyway, that's Tibetan Rite number 3. I think as it's written, it's a phenomenal movement. And honestly, the way most people show it, just bending backwards, it's still great. But to get the biggest bang for my buck, I do actually like to bend forward as it's written, and then come back out of it, going backwards. So again, that's Tibetan Rite number 3. Fantastic for integrating the eyes and the head and the movements of the body together. Activates the vestibular system. And it is a great way to start your day if you're into doing the Tibetan rites. All right, guys, I'm Tim. This is Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.